Hello, how to start affiliate marketing for beginners. That is the topic for this video. Welcome to my channel. Please feel free to take a look around, watch some other videos on here once you're done with this one. Let's jump right in. And what are we going to be talking about in this video? First of all, what is affiliate marketing? Now, you may know that already, which is why you're here, but we'll talk a little bit about that. And then we're going to talk about what are the best products to promote. You have a couple options. You can, promote products that give you a one-time commission, or maybe you want to focus on recurring commissions. And then how do you find recurring affiliate programs? And definitely make sure you watch until the end of the video, because I'm going to give you what I think is probably, if not the best, certainly one of the best products that you need to be considering promoting because of their 80% commission structure. So what is affiliate marketing? Well, affiliate marketing is simply where you act as an affiliate of a product or service, and you promote that product or service. And once you get someone to make a purchase through your affiliate link, then you earn a commission for that sale. So we can pull it up here, and this just kind of gives you an overview of the sales process that happens in affiliate marketing. You need to have traffic. This image we're looking at YouTube or a blog, but it could also be paid traffic, maybe Facebook ads or other traffic, and you send that traffic through your affiliate link. So you promote maybe a product on your YouTube channel, on your TikTok, on your Facebook, or through ads, through a blog. And when people have an interest in that product, they'll click on your affiliate link, and that's how you're going to get credit for that sale. That'll take them to the product's sales page, and then if they decide to purchase, that's where you earn that commission. And so that is the sales process for affiliate marketing. It's a great method because you don't need to have your own product. You don't have to provide support. You don't have to deal with returns. You don't have to deal with shipping. You don't have to deal with anything. Your only responsibility is the traffic part, getting people to the product. And then the seller handles the sales page, they handle the sales, they handle delivering the product, they handle customer support, they handle refund. You don't do any of that. The product vendor does all of that. And that's why affiliate marketing is really a great way to earn online. So let's talk a little bit now about what are the best products to promote. Should you be looking at one-time products? And by that I mean products where they pay a one-time commission, and then that's it, or products or services that pay recurring commissions. So one-time commissions are paid usually on products that people purchase one time, right? So maybe you are promoting an Amazon product. If someone buys that product, then you earn that commission. Or maybe you're promoting a specific training that has a one-time purchase price. And so those one-time commissions are nice, and they're helpful, and they can definitely add up over time, but recurring commissions are kind of nice. So for example, maybe you're promoting a product on Amazon that has a monthly subscription, or a dog food service that has a monthly subscription. Well, then you can get those recurring commissions every month as long as people continue on with that subscription and making their payments. And that's what we're going to focus on in this video. Is I want you to think about using recurring commissions as the focus of your online business, because this is really where you can do well, because it takes the same effort to sell one product for a one-time commission as it does to sell a product that has a recurring commission structure. So how do you find these recurring affiliate programs? Lots of different ways. I work a lot in the make money online niche. And so I'm going to be focusing on that in my examples for this video. And that's why I want you to watch, keep watching the video, because I'm going to show you a product that really, really is a great product, top-notch, excellent quality, and they have an 80% commission structure. And I spoke about Amazon a few minutes ago. They only pay 1%, 2%, 3% commissions, so you might sell a $100 product and make a couple dollars, okay? Or you could sell a $100 product and make $80 with an 80% commission. So definitely keep watching so you can see what that is. Now, let's go back. What's better, promoting one-time commissions or recurring commissions? Let's take a look, right? So option A is the one-time commission. So you get that buyer, one buyer, and for every buyer, you earn a $10 one-time commission, which is great, nothing to sneeze at, or you could put in 100, whatever that is, it's a one-time commission. In our example for simple math, we're just going to say a $10 one-time commission. So you get 10 buyers, and they all make a purchase, which gets you 10 of those $10 one-time commissions, or basically a $100 one-time payment. Nothing to sneeze at. Certainly that can help. But what if you're promoting something that has recurring commissions? Because it really, again, it's no harder to get a buyer for a one-time commission or a buyer for a recurring commission. So now let's say each buyer gets you a $10 per month recurring commission. So now you get those same 10 buyers, but you're earning $10 per month per buyer, which is a recurring, ongoing $100 per month in commissions. And so you only did the work one time, you got them started, and as long as they keep paying, you keep earning that money. And that's the beauty of recurring commissions, and why I would really encourage you to focus on recurring commissions in your affiliate marketing journey and not necessarily on the one-time commissions. Because, as I said, it really isn't any more work to get 10 buyers that pay recurring commissions compared to, as 10 buyers that just pay those one-time commissions. And so if we go back and we talk about, well, how do you find these recurring affiliate programs? Again, you can find them all over. They're subscription-based. But for the niche I focus mostly on, the Make Money Online niche, it's basically software and services and training that people need to work online anyway. So that could be domain names, that could be funnel building software, that can be email autoresponders. These are monthly recurring commissions. Now, these are just the cost of doing business online. And so you can benefit from that by promoting things that people need to be using anyway to have an online business. And you can earn those recurring affiliate commissions because of that. So now I do want to jump to what I think is one of the best products to promote for not only their recurring affiliate commission structure, but also because they have quality products. So this company pays 80% commissions, which is pretty awesome. That's a really, really high commission structure, 80% commissions. Usually if you can get 25 to 50% commissions, that's pretty good. Here you're going to be paying 80% commissions. And so what is this company? Well, it is called the Home Business Academy. And let's go here. Here I'm logged into my account. The Home Business Academy, they basically have 3 different products. The first is their HBA Funnel Builder Academy, and that's where we are right now. And you can log into their funnel builder tool, and it's a great funnel builder. It's a drag and drop. It's super easy to use. I'll make another video that shows how to use it, and some of my other videos I do show how to use it. For sake of time, I'm not going to, but it's really drag and drop. It's super easy, and they come with tons of already created templates, so you can just tweak them to use how you want. Now you do need to. It's recommended you have your own domain name for this. So that's something you'd want to purchase as well. And it's ideal, really, with any online business to have an email autoresponder also, okay? So you do need to consider that having your own domain name is a good idea, and then also having your own email autoresponder. Now, they have some great training in here about how to use the funnel builder. So they walk you through it. Tons of training on different specific things. You can make membership pages. So, for example, the Home Business Academy, their sales page is made with their funnel builder. What we're looking at right here, their members area, is made with their funnel builder. And so they use it in their own business, okay? Now, this funnel builder is just $25 a month. Pretty reasonable, especially when you're comparing it to say ClickFunnels or pages or other much higher costing, okay? And then they do have, even at this level, they do have some live coaching once per month. They have a great Facebook group, very active, and really a great place to start. Now, they do have their second product is their HBA Premium. That's all about traffic and conversions. Let's take a look at that. Now, this is super important, right? Because if we go back to that sales process, what do you need? You need traffic, okay? Without traffic is just people, right? Without people coming to your offers, you're not going to be able to make commissions. So you got to have traffic, and that's what HBA Premium is all about. It's really good training about traffic. There's some things you need to make sure you have in place before you even start to get traffic. And then they do cover all kinds of different free traffic methods. And these are always being updated, right? They have some paid traffic methods, conversions. You know, it doesn't help if you get the traffic there and you can't convert them into a sale. So they have conversion training. And then they have some really awesome, every Monday night, a mastermind, live coaching, training. And this many times is other users that are sharing what's working for them. And they got a daily call, 9 a.m., another traffic conversion action mastermind at 11 a.m. And so I think there's like 11 different training opportunities throughout the week, as well as ICAW. They have everything archived, I should say, as well. They got some additional training down here, some done-for-you funnels if you just want to plug in one of their funnels to use in the funnel builder. So you got everything you need in this HBA Premium. And I'll show you in a second how you can get this to try for 2 weeks free. And then their last product is this Financial Literacy Academy. Now, this is just a one-time payment, but it got some really, really solid information about being financially literate, maybe some tax strategies that you can use. And this is all above board, but it's really something to consider if you need that help and you need some training in that area. So let's go back and talk about how this 80% commission structure works. Okay, so here we are. So the Home Business Academy. Again, they pay 80% commissions on all their products, not just on certain products. Not only if you have so many sales, there's no requirements for you to earn that 80% commissions other than you just need to be paying for whatever you're selling, right? So if you only pay for the HBA Funnel Builder Academy, then you can only earn commissions on this. Now, if you also pay for Premium, then you can earn commissions on that as well. And if you own Financial Literacy Academy, then you can earn commissions on that. So if you're only paying for the Funnel Builder, then you're not eligible to earn commissions on these other products. So you may want to think about, if you're able to financially, consider joining at every level that you're able to, because then you're not going to miss out on any commissions. But obviously only do that if you're able to. So let's just look at a couple examples. So, their first product, HBA Funnel Builder, that it has a $25 per month recurring payment to use their funnel builder and the training associated with that. And you make 80% commission. So you would make $20 per month residual per user that purchases the HBA Funnel Builder. Now, if you got 100 people started, then that means that $20 per month per user would come out to $2,000 per month residual, which is pretty nice. Now, the HBA Premium, which is the traffic and conversion training, that costs $125 a month. You make 80% commissions, which is $100 per month per user. And now, this is obviously a much higher price point. The training is worth it. I mean, there's a lot more expensive courses I've seen and that I paid for that don't get you anywhere near the quality of what you're getting in the HBA Premium. So definitely worth it. But, maybe not all these 100 people that start at the funnel builder level won't get the premium, but maybe say 30 of them will. And so at $100 per month per user, that's another $3,000. So that's in addition to the $2,000. So as you can see, if you had 100 people with the funnel builder, 30 people with the premium, that'd be a total of $5,000 per month. And that's just residual. Okay. And obviously you can adjust the numbers more up or down. So those are residuals. Now, the Financial Literacy Academy, which is the third product, this one, that is a one-time payment. Okay, um, people have a chance to get it for $500 one time when they first start, and that gets you an 80% commission of $400 one time. That's a nice commission. Now it's a one time, but it's a very nice commission. And if people don't pick it up during those first 3 days, then the cost is $1,000. Now you make 80%, which is an $800 one-time commission. So the great thing about the Home Business Academy is the commission structure is excellent at 80%, and they have quality products. So let's talk a second about that. One thing you always want to be careful of is that you're only going to be able to make money is when programs, I'm not talking about the Home Business Academy, but other programs, really what you're selling to people is the ability to make money by selling that program, right? So buy the program, that way you can make money from the program. Well, the Home Business Academy, you're getting a legitimate, high quality funnel builder at $25 a month, which is much, much cheaper than comparable alternatives like ClickFunnels, etc. With the premium, you're getting some really high quality traffic, the weekly masterminds, really great stuff. And then Financial Literacy Academy, if you can afford it, is really good also. Now, if we go back to the example, as you can see, if you're paying $25 a month, if you help 2 people get started, now that's $40 a month you're making. And so it's covering your $25 a month, and you have $15 left over. And that would actually cover like the cost of your email autoresponder, okay? And so you only need to make 2 sales to actually be in profit and really cover the costs of running your online business. And then obviously the HBA Premium, same thing. You get 2 people started. That's $200 a month residual. That pays for your $125 plus an extra $75 left over to do whatever you want with it, okay? So that's the way I would look at this. I will leave a link down below if you're interested in learning more about the Home Business Academy. When you click that link, it's going to take you to this opt-in page. Just, put in your name, put in your email, click yes, give me access, okay? And then that's going to take you to this page. And it's going to give you an overview of the Home Business Academy. I would definitely encourage you to watch this video. When I got started, that's what I did. I watched the video. I read through the entire sales page. I looked at all the information. I made sure I wanted to understand exactly what I was getting into. So definitely take your time, read through it. And then when you're ready, just click any of these buttons. It'll jump you down to the checkout section at the bottom of the page. You just put in your contact information, your billing address, choose how you want to pay by card or Google Pay, put your information in, and that's going to help you get started with the HBA Funnel Builder, $25 per month. Now, this is where I talked about the 100% free. You get a chance to use the HBA Premium, have access to it. And again, this is the traffic and conversions training. You get a chance to access that for 2 weeks, okay? So you get 100% free access for 2 full weeks. All you got to do is come down here and check the little box saying, yes, I want free access. So it's not going to cost you anything for 2 weeks. Now it is $125 after, and that's what it says. But if you don't want to continue, you cancel it, and you just stay with the Funnel Builder. If you like it, then you continue on. And so as you come down, you'll see the All-in-One Business, which is the Funnel Builder. That's the $25. You're getting 2 weeks free from traffic and conversions. That's $0. And so your total cost is going to be $25 to get started. Okay. So if you are interested, that's what I recommend you do. Click the link down below. It'll take you to this page. Put in your name, email, and click yes, give me access, and that'll bring you over to the page where you can get all the detailed information. Now, I fully support whoever wants to start with me, and meaning I help you get everything set up. Now, they have complete setup instructions, in the affiliate area. It walks you through exactly what to do step by step. But if you need extra help, I'm definitely available to help if you need it. So let me know if you have any questions. If you do get started, certainly reach out to me, and I'd be happy to help you along with this adventure. So I appreciate you watching. Please like the video if you found it helpful. Please subscribe so you can get more information as it comes out. Thanks again.